will happening from your hands? What you will be observe? ఏమొస్తుంది మీ బాడీలో ఇలా హ్యాండ్స్ రబ్ చేస్తే? What you will be observe? Yes. Fast. Vaishnavi and Vaibhavi. Here, Rohit Gaddam is not there. Where are you? Everybody should warm up and keep your hands on the cheeks. How do you feel? Hot or cool? Hot, yes. Now the temperature is very cool. No, you want the hot, yes or no? చలి పెడుతుంది మమ్మీ నేను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళను నేను పడుకుంటాను yes you feel very hot means what your mother will be saying wake up what you will say mommy I will feel very cool I am able to wake up yes you will say or not then okay students I told to don't wear the sleeveless dresses I has to wear the only full covered class but Srinidhi wear half sleeves why you didn't have? Rohit, keep your phone properly. Yes, I have to know what you are doing. I want to see your video. Here, Nandagopal. Sit. Manikanta. Your dress up is very good. Sit in one place. Sharon, where are you, Sharon? Yes. Sridipya, your video is zigzag. Don't move, Nanna. Don't move here and there. Sit in one place. You know, in this online class, Ramarao sir is there. Very careful. Everybody should observing to you. So if you do any extra activities, he will be call you immediately. I don't know. I am not responsible for that. Now only I am telling, don't be hide your video and also on your video compulsory. Check your data. Network. Sit in one place compulsory. Meda, Manikanta, Kruti. Manishank, yes. Where is your full covered class? You're not feeling cool? Huh? Sannika. Very good. Sayed, is that? Sit properly. Sayed Uzai, sit properly. Okay, students. Shall we start our class? Are you ready? Very good. Are you ready? Once all of you warm up your hands once again. Warm up. Hands up. Down. Clap. Monkeys, all are monkeys. Yes, okay, children. Enough. Okay. Shall we start our class? Do you know how many lessons we all are completed in online class? Very good. How many we completed? 4 lessons. Do you know what is our first lesson name? Eating habits of animals. Then what is our second lesson name? Second lesson. Yes, very good. Very good. What the things are made of. Yes? Then what about the fourth lesson? Rocks and soil. Rocks and soil. And fourth lesson? Our houses. Yes. Now today you all are learning new lesson. Do you know what is our new lesson name? Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Do you know living means? Do you know living means? Vikshita, what is the meaning of living? Yes. Bratikundadam means to have life. So non-living means no life. Yes. So you know very well in the previous lesson from the UKG class you are learning about the living and non-living meaning. So have a look in your home side. Some of the living things materials are there. Living things are there. So what are that living things? Tell me. I will asking you. Kruti, where are you, Kruti? Kruti, on your video. Kruti. Kruti. Where is Kruti? She was not there, no? Kruti, I did. She on video and went away. Next. Money?
Money. Madam Biltundi.
Where are you, Money?
Pencil తీసుకుని.
Are you there, Nana? You are. Where are you? Come fast. I told to ready. I told no before going to start the lesson you have to ready with your all the things, but you are delay. Money. Harini, on your video, Harini. Harini, raise your hand. Where are you, Harini? Harini. Do you know? Yes, beta. Do you know living meaning?
Teacher, I am not seeing teacher. Net problem there.
Net problem do you have? Okay, do you know living things? What are the living things?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me some names.
Fix living things.
Okay.
The people living things.
People are living thing. You living thing?
Living things.
You are a living thing. Yes. Then come to non-living things. Do you know the non-living things?
Yes, teacher.
What are that?
Chair, fan, window,
Window.
tables.
Yes, very good.
Lights.
Yes. Okay. Now these are the two categories we discussed. Do you know human-made things?
Teacher, what?
Human-made things.
Yes, sir.
What are that human-made things meaning what? First you may tell the definition of human-made things.
The tables doing humans.
Very good. Very good answer. Claps, Nana. Claps for the Harini.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, beta. Thank you, Harini. So, see, Nana. Have a look in your book also, everybody. Students, living means the things who have the life, they all are the living thing. For example, I am a living thing, you also living thing, your family people are living thing, birds are living thing, animals are living thing, trees are living thing. These all are living things. Nandagopal. And what are non-living things? Non-living things means they not have the life. They do not do any activities. Like your pen is there. Pen can do any activities like you? No. Your book is there. Can do? Anybody? One member, one non-living thing. Show me. Show me on your hands. Show me anyone. Ah, yes. Hasya, okay, pencil. Shigati, compacts, okay. And the Nandagopal, pencil. Sayyaduza, smile. Show me your non-living thing. Okay, scale. Harini, very good. Varun, pen. And Ashrit, book. Okay. Mahasri, where are you, Mahasri? Okay, all are shown non-living thing. Okay, here Saish, pad, very good. Nikhileshwar, where is your non-living thing? Show me anyone. Pen. You have more things. Show me another thing. Show me another material. Book. All are shown book only. Okay, okay. Your cap is there. Your cap. Ah, yes. That is a non-living thing. Yes or no? And also it was made by the human. That is a human-made thing. Meta, what about you? Where is your non-living thing material? Compass box. Okay, okay, students. Lot of the material. Ah, where your water bottle, Harini. Very good. Thank you, Harini. Priya, Prajay showing something. Prajay. Okay. Teddy bear. All are showing very different materials. Sharpener. Okay. Lot of thank you, students. Okay, next, see here, Nana, you have a look in your book side. In this lesson, in the fifth lesson, you can learn the living things features and the non-living thing features, and also what is the meaning of the living thing and what are the non-living things materials, and some things are made by the human and the natural things you may learn, and what are the features of this all the materials. Okay, na? Are you ready to listen the lesson? Everybody ready? Okay, shall we start our lesson? Okay, are you ready to see? I will share my screen. Okay, see, our lesson number is 5. Living and non-living things. Okay, living and non-living things. Living means yes. Isha, very good. All are touching the screen. Why are you touching the screen, Sridipya? Huh? Okay, students. Living means have life. Okay, they have life, they have some futures, some are there. So non-living things, they do not have life. Okay, they do not have life. Okay, students. So some of the things are there. Things means materials. Some things means items names. Okay, na? Items, the things, materials, all objects will become. Okay, today you will be learn the new lesson. Everybody listen carefully in this online class. Everyone, teacher and the parents, everyone, all over our country, the people who are communicated in our side, all are observing your video in the YouTube channel also. So be careful, Nana. Don't be play in your online class. I'm giving very good instruction for you. In the middle also, I will ask you some questions. Are you ready for that? Okay. Mind opener. So have a look, see, Nana. Look around you and name 6 things that you think are living. Name 6 things you think are non-living. Now think. Okay, all of you, 1 minute, close your eyes. Close. Write in your imagine picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 living things, and the remaining 6 are the non-living things. Picks in your eyes, and when I will freeze out, all of you tell me that. Okay, all of you think 5, minimum 5 or 6 compulsory. 5 or 6 living things, and the 6 are non-living things. Okay. Okay. What are the things that living things can do that non-living things cannot do? Okay, students, all of you open your eyes. Oh, here Manishank will say the answer. Manikanta, on your video. Where are you, Manikanta? Where are you, Manikanta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you hiding your video? How many times I told to you? Mahimanvita, on your video. Tell me, Manikanta. Manikanta. One minute, students. Okay, where is Manikanta? He was there. Saish. Saish. Are you there, Nana? Anjali, Saish. Where are you, Nani?
Saish, నువ్వు అంజని అని పెట్టినవా మమ్మీ?
Meda brother. Anjali, yes, Anjali. Anjali, your mother name? Saish? Sayanush, Saish.
Sanush.
Yes, Sayanush. Okay, tell me, Nana. Tell me 5 or 6 non-living things.
Not living things. Stool. Stool.
Okay, chair, stool. More.
Table.
Okay, table.
Box.
Box. Okay.
Bag.
Bag. Okay, what about non-living things? Tell me 5 living things.
Cow.
Cow.
Trees.
Trees. More 3 names. Any names? Any you can say.
Cat.
Cat.
Dog.
Dog.
Birds.
Birds. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Sayanush. May your mother to tell to change the name, Nana. Okay. Anjali Jalendar is there, no? To put your name. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Comparing to the living things and non-living things, something differences are there. Can you find out that what are the difference? Anybody can say the answer? What are the differences are there? Anybody know the answer? Raise your hand. What is the difference between living and non-living things? Medha, you will say? You're looking total black. Your face is not blink up. Okay. Why? Tell me, Medha, what is the difference between living and non-living things? What you will be observe in that? For example, the table is there, huh? And also cat is there. Cat is a living thing, and the table is a non-living thing. What is the difference
Table.
in between? Yes, table. Medha.
Cat తినగలదు టేబుల్ తినలేదు.
Yes, cat will eat. So, but the table will not eat. Why? It is a non-living thing. Again, more. Tell me more. Again.
Cat is eating but table is not eating.
Again, 1 point. Again, tell me. Isha.
Cat is running, table is not running.
Yes, cat will walk, but table will not walk. It is fixed in one place. Okay, na? If you want to move it, you should move with your hands. Yes or no? And what, Isha? Tell me, Isha, your answer.
Cat have life, table have not life.
Yes, cat will have the life, but the table is not have the life. Because of they are the living thing and it is a non-living thing. Very good, thank you. And more are there. More are there. In this lesson, you will be learn. Okay, students. Okay, now all of you ready to listen the lesson. See in your book side and also screen also. So here see, living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Yes, living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Means the many ways in they are looking different and they are doing different. Or everything is different for the living and non-living thing. What are that? Commonly, you know that the living things can move. Yes, you are there. You will be move one place to another place. But comparing another pencil is there. Pencil can move. No, it cannot move. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. They grow. They grow. For example, here the picture in the animal is there. Animal is what? Cow or buffalo. Okay, buffalo is there. The buffalo can moving and it was growing from the since it was born time. It was looking very small. It was cattle or calf. Okay, so that time it was what Nana looking very small. But now in this picture, what like that bigger size. Yes, so it was growing year by year and day by day. And for example, your pencil is there. Pencil will be grow up every day? No. They eat and you will eat your food. But The pencil or example can, duster or chalk piece, they may not eat. Why? Because they are the non-living things. They breathe. You have to breathe. You can breathe with your nose. And the animals can breathe. The birds can breathe. They have the nose. But non-living things cannot breathe. They feel changes around them. So they feel. Feel means the feeling means you have to what Nana respond. Respond means what Nana if anybody is beating on your cheeks. So what you will skin will be tell you may get the pain. The feeling is there. For example, you take the one table. The table can feel? No, it cannot feel. Okay. The table will not feel. Yes, table is there. The table will feel? No, it cannot feel. But you may feel. The birds can feel, animals can feel, and more can feel. All the living things can feel. And they produce young ones. Produce means to develop another. So, for example, one bird is the hen. So, hen can produce another one by the laying of the eggs. So, yes. So, reproduction. This is called as a reproduction. Reproduce. Okay. It's called as a reproduce. By the reproductive system will be developed in the living things. But the non-living things in the reproduction system, they cannot produce another one. They grow old and die. They grow. When they will be grow and they become as a younger, and also they will be become and as a older. Okay, older, and you may die, and they may die. That time, the dying after they, it is a non-living thing. So when do you have the life? They all are the living things. So what are the futures we have? We can move, and we can grow, and we will eat, and we can breathe, and we have the feeling, and also we can produce another one, and you may grow and die. Okay, so these all are the different from the living things, and comparing to the non-living things, these all are will be not. Okay, living things can move. First we can learn the living things can move. How the living things can move? Yes, living things, here the one example is there. The cow can moving by the help of the four legs. You will also move, yes or no? By the legs you can move from one place to another place. See, animals move from place to place in search of food and shelter. They also move to run away from their enemies. Most animals have legs to move. A fish uses in fins and tail to move in water. Birds use wings to fly and legs to walk. Snakes use their bodies to move. Okay, see Nana, living things can move. Tell me why the living things can moving, why we are moving from one place to another place? Because to get our food and to make our shelter. Yes or no? So, comparing to the animals, they can move with their legs. They move with the four legs. And you can move from one place to another place for only searching of food and to do our activities not. To protect us from enemies also. Yes or no? మీ దగ్గరికి ఇప్పుడు స్నేక్ దగ్గరగా వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అక్కడ నిలబడి డాన్స్ చేస్తారా? ఇట్లా నాగరాజా అనుకుంటే డాన్స్ చేస్తారా? యూ విల్ బి ప్లే లైక్ దట్? నో, యూ విల్ బి రన్ అవే. Yes or no? You will be run away to one place to another place. You will be go away far. You will be far away from that animal. Yes or no? Yes. So to protect us from your side. Okay, and also you have to get your food. You will be calling a call, my food come, my food come. You will be calling like this? No, you have to go there and keep it in one plate with your hands and walk into your dining table and eat your food. Yes or no? You are moving. And here the animals are there. For example, the cow is there. The cow have how many legs? 4. 8 legs? 4 legs. So the 4 legs with it can be walk in the garden area. They can eat the grass and moving one place to another place. And what about the fish? Where the fish will be live? Meda. It can live in the water. It can live in the water. So how the fish can swim in the water? By the fins. Do you know fins అంటే ఇట్లా పక్కకి one side లో ఉంటాయి కదా? Like this. Yes, very good. So with the wings also there, they will be swim in the water. And what about the birds? What about the birds? They will be fly in the air. How it is possible? By the help of the wings. By the help of the wings. Then what about the snake? How the snake will be move? Yes, like this it will be move on the land. That is called as a crawl. Crawl means what? Pakadam. Yes, crawl. Okay, so some the different animals can be different ways in they can move to get their food and for search of food. Yes or no? Yes. And this type of the animals can be moved from one place to another place. The fish can be swim in the water by the help of the fins, and the snake will be crawl, and the birds will be fly, and the walk on with the legs. Okay, Nana? Then see, comparing to these animals, they can move. We discussed the plants also living things, but it cannot moving one place to another place. Do you know anybody that answer? You know well. We all are living things, you all are moving. The plants also living things, I told, but it cannot moving. Why? Why? Do you know the reason? Madhu, tell me, do you know the reason? Harini, yes, Harini will say the answer. Harini.
Teacher.
Yes, better tell me, you all are living things, we all are living things, we all are moving one place to another place. But the plants are also living things, yes or no?
Yes.
But plants are not moving, they don't have any legs. But we
That's
told
why
the
not
plants are
moving.
living. Yes, plants do not have legs. Yes,
That's why
but
not moving.
that's why not moving. Okay.
Yes.
Another, any idea, any answer? Another? Think other?
Then no, teacher.
No, Anna. Hasya will say, Hasya. Animals like the plants are also living things. Comparing to them, we have the sense organs. We have eyes, nose, ears, everything body parts are there. We are moving and searching our food one place to another place. But birds also moving one place to another place. Animals also moving one place to another place. But the plants do not move. Why? Because the plants are living things only. But our like they do not have any body parts, because the roots are fixed in the one place. Yes or no? The roots are fixed in the one place. If you put a one plant in the soil, so what will happening? That roots are fixed in the one place. It cannot moving. Yes, but when you are pour the water, it can absorb the water by the help of the roots, and they will be developed as a one young sapling plant. The small plant will be become as a big plant. Okay, that tree trunks will be have, branches will be have, flowers will be grow up, and the fruit will be grow up. That will be giving lot of food materials for us. Why? Because it cannot moving means because of it will be fixed in the one place. The roots are fixed in the one place. Okay. See, Nana, have you ever seen a plant move from one place to another? No, it's not possible. Why? Because the plants are fixed in the soil, it cannot move. Okay. Plants are living things, but they do not move. They make their own food, so they do not have to move in search of food. So plants can. Here you have a look. Fish is there in the picture. The fish will be swim with this fins and the tail in the water. The birds will be fly with the wings, like feathers are there. The snake will be crawl on the land. Okay. So this is the various way to move on the land and to get their food, to search of food. All the animals are living things only. They need the food compulsory. Without the food, we may not live. So how do you get our food? To move from one place to another. They make their own food, so they do not have move in search of food. Why? Because the plants are living things, but they do not move because of they make their own food. మనం మన ఫుడ్ ని తయారు చేసుకోలేం, మనం అందరం వేరే వాళ్ళ పైన ఆధారపడి ఉంటున్నాం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? యాజ్ ద వే ద animals also make their own food? No, depending on another animals. Yes or no? And to get their own food. So here you see 1 minute, Nana, you will be read all this lesson. Within 1 minute I will be back. So here the animals cannot move, Nana. Why? Because they can make their own food by the help of the sunlight. That is the process of the photosynthesis. Okay. Okay. So, however, parts of some plants do not move. The bird of a sunflower turns toward the sun. The leaves of the touch-me-not plant move when touched. బండి మీద తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. So, yes, 15 minutes I will be back. Okay, however, so have a look, you see this plant in your home side? This is a touch-me-not plant. Do you know the touch-me-not plant? So touch-me-not plant means ముట్టుకుంటే ముడుచుకునే చెట్టు అన్నమాట. If you are touched that plant, it can be respond. How? The leaves will be closed. So sometime after it may open. So what is this will be tell? So that plants also respond. So if you are anybody touch on your skin, so with the hot, if you are burning candle in, if you are putting your finger, what will happening? Your skin will be burned. So that time you may feel there is a hot object. Same the way the plants also feel. So for example, this is the one of the example, that is the touch-me-not plant. So however, parts of some plants do move. Plants do move. The bird of a sunflower turn toward the sun. So have you seen sunflower? So sunflower, when the sunflower will become, so you can see the farmer side. Sunflower చెట్టు తెలుసా మీకు? Sunflower. What is the sunflower flower color? Yes, yellow. Yellow. In the middle is the brown color. So in that seeds with only we will be get the sunflower oil, Nana. So you can see that sunflower plant toward the sunlight. So sunlight ela manaki ippudu sun will be appear this side, means it will be turn the face that side. If it is come this side, means it will be turn the face that side. So that is also one of the example to respond. It is also moving, but it is fixed in one place, but it is moving, turn over the all side, while the sun will be move away around. Okay. So as well as the touch-me-not plant also one of the example for the feeling. So here see, living things grow. So what we learned first? So in the living things, what are the living things and what are the non-living things? The living things are compared to non-living things very different. So living things can move from one place to another place, and also we have to get our food and also to make our shelter our own only. So that's why we all are moving from one place to another place. And the living things can grow. How the living things can grow? Yes. Comparing here, see, small baby become as a younger will be adult. Yes. So as in the picture, all living things will be grow one small to bigger. So see here, look at your baby photograph. Have you not grown and changed? Your body has been changing from the day you were born. When you were born, you were a small baby. Now you are young child. In a few years, you will grow into an adult. Same the way as a seed grow into small plant. The plant may grow to become a tree. All plants and animals grow and change. Non-living things do not grow. Yes, non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not grow. So see here. Have you seen your photo gallery? Do you have photo gallery in your home? Small baby, nursery baby time, when you are born time, 21st ceremony time. Do you have all the photographs in your home? So now that photographs and this photograph is same. Present photographs, old photographs are same. No. What is the different? That time you all are small. That time you all are smaller. And right now you all are younger. You all are children and younger. Comparing, you may observe this online class will be completed after. You may open your photo gallery and in that picture scene you observe. So that time your body parts will be very small and also you will be looking very small. Present in this picture, your mobile phone in almost the selfie photos are there. Everybody, wherever you go, selfie. Yes, selfies are more, no? Yes. So that are pictures you may see and what is the differences in that photo gallery. So what differences you may observe? Your hair will be grow up, your hands they will be grow up, your legs will be grow up, your body face will be also grown. Yes or no? Same the way the plants also there. Plants will be produced. The how the plants will become? Yeah, if you are put a one seed in the soil, it will be grow. One small plant, it is a sapling plant. And when you are pouring the water in that, so it will be grow by day by day, it's become big plant. And big plant will be grow into a big tree. So here the what is that things you will observe? The living things will be grow. But have you see one pencil? It will grow tomorrow. It will be grow tomorrow. It will be grow 1 year after. No. Why? It is a non-living thing. So living things will be move. Non-living things do not move. Living things can grow, but non-living things do not grow. Yes. Manishank, are you understand? Do you have any doubts in this regarding this topic? No, beta. Rohit. Next, we will learn the next one. Living things can. Living things can. Yes. All plants and animals grow and change. Non-living things do not grow. Okay. Yes. Living things need food. You all are need food. Why do we need food? You need food to live and grow. If you are eating the proper food, you will be grow. Yes or no? If you are eating the food, you will get the energy and you can do your activities by your own only. Yes or no? Yes, same here you see. Living things need energy to grow, move, and keep their bodies fit and healthy. They get energy from food. Plants make food for themselves. Animals move from place to place to find food. Non-living things do not need food. So here you see squirrel is there. Squirrel is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, living thing. So it can eating the nuts, grains. Yes or no? So if you see that nuts, grains eating after what it will be get? It will be get the energy and it can move from one place to another place and to get their food and search their food. Okay. Here the teddy bear is there. The toy is there. It can need the food. No, it was man-made thing. It was not have the any life. So do not need the food. So living things need energy to grow. So if you want to grow an adult and younger, so what you have to do? You have to eat the proper food. Yes or no? And we can move. So if you have the energy, you can move from one place to another place. So if you eat the proper food, your body will be fit and healthy. Fit and healthy. They get energy from food. Yes? If you eat the food, you will get the energy. Just now you had your lunch and also you have the energy to listen my lesson. Plants make food for themselves. So comparing to this, plants are make their own food. Yes, the plants are make their own food by the help of the sun. By the help of the sun. Yes, they do not depending on their any food. We all are depending on the plants. Yes, yes. So animals also move from one place to another place to get the food and find out the food. Yes, beta? Are you understand? Living things can move and living things can grow and living things need food compulsory. So answer the following this question. Does a book or a table grow? Do your toys ask you for food? Tell me, does a book or table will be grow? No. Why? What is the reason? Yeah, it is a non-living thing. Does you have teddy bear? The toys, do you have the toys in your home? It will asking you feed. నాకు అన్నం పెట్టు అంటుందా? It will asking any feeding? No, it does not asking. Why? It is a non-living thing. Shukla, hi. How are you? Okay. Hands up. Down. Smile. Very good. Yes. Okay. Okay, students. So now we have to discuss the next features about the living things. So, living things breathe. Yes. Do you breathe? Yes, you will breathe by the help of the nose. Yes, do you have the nose? How many nose do you have? One nose. Yes, you will be breathe. Where? What you will be breathe? Air. The fresh air. Where do you get that fresh air? By the plants. Yes. Place your hand on your chest and feel it go up and down. It does up when you breathe in. It goes down when you breathe out. Pinch your nose to stop breathing. You will not be able to hold your breath for a long time. You need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Living things have special body parts to help your breathing. You breathe through your nose. Many other animals breathe through their nose. So, see Nana, all of you put your hands on the chest part. Everybody put like this, one side. Feel long breath. Take long breath. Down. So what you will be observe? Your chest will be increased when you are taking the air. When you are releasing the air, you will be down. As well as do this activity, hold your finger on the nose. Close it, you are breathing. You will be able to do this. Oh, it's very difficult. Yes. So without the nose, without the breathing of this nose, by the help of the nose, you will be unable to leave. Why? Because we all are, no, enough, Kaushik, enough. Okay, you all are breathing. Why? Because you all are the living things. Same the way animals also breathing by the help of the nose. But according to the another animals, they have the different different breathing systems are there. For example, a insect is there. Insects how like breathe? They have the nose? No, they do not have the nose. How they breathe? By the tiny holes are there on the body. Okay, and also fish is there. Fish can breathe by the help of the gills. The gills will be there on the fish. Okay, by the help of the fish will be breathed with the gills. Okay, Nana, different animals will be breathed different ways. Mostly the 90% of the animals will be breathed by the only nose. So animals can, living things can move. Now living things cannot move. Living things can grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things need food, but non-living things do not need food. Living things can breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. Yes, you learned 4 topics about the living things futures. So have you seen, do you know the biggest animal on earth is the blue whale? It weighs more than 19 adult elephants. Oh God. So according to the animals, the biggest animal on the earth is the blue whale. Blue whale means that is the fish like only blue color. That is the Trimingalam antaru. Water lo untundi nana blue whale. It's how many ton of the weight it is comparing to the 19 adult elephants. అంటే ఎలిఫెంట్ యొక్క వెయిటే చాలా ఉంటుంది. అలాంటి ఎలిఫెంట్స్ 19 ఉంటే 19 ఎలిఫెంట్స్ కలిస్తే ఎంత వెయిట్ ఉంటుందో, ఎన్ని టన్స్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుందో అన్ని టన్స్ల వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది.